everybody? DJ Runner Mechanic here, back with another video, y'all. So, hey, I am back outside in front of the camera. So, y'all remember my last video I did in which I installed the new floor mats in there. So, we about to do the, how should I say, the real world test. Let's see what they look like when they get dirty. Okay, so we did a little dirtying up on purpose just to see how easy would it be to clean it. So here we go. See, we got the front a little dirty right there. And we got the back end a little dirty. So we're going to check it out, see how easy it is to clean. So So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my wet dry vac first, just to see what's going on with it. So I'm gonna hit this front first. All right, so y'all see how dirty it is. So let's go ahead and break this vacuum and clean out. And let's see what we find on this here. So this right here is the cleaning test, y'all. That's right. The cleaning test. About to put it to work. And let's see what we can see with this right here. All right. All right, y'all, so bear with me. So, hey, it's about to get a little loud, so we gonna get it started, though. All right, everybody, I am back. So finally finished cleaning everything up. So I went and vacuumed the whole car. So y'all are pretty much ready to see the results. How the mats came out clean. I showed you just a few minutes ago on the driver's side and everything. They really wasn't that bad to clean, y'all. I mean, that's just my way of cleaning the mats, you know. So, but let's check it out. All right, that's the passenger side right there. Okay, and here's the back end. Y'all see? What, there's like some fuzz right here. That's all that is. A piece of fuzz, but I mean, y'all seen how it was earlier. No, we had the crumbs and everything on there. No, just to see what it looked like with a little dirt on it, not cleaning it up. There's a piece of paper coming out. I just got through that. But look, y'all check it out. And here's the driver's side. So, I mean, I have to admit, it wasn't that bad really to clean it, really. I mean, you could actually, if you want to, pull them out, wipe them down, or you can vacuum them. Me, I chose to vacuum them and then wipe them down. And y'all see how good it looks. So, yeah. Everything's still looking good, y'all. So now I can go ahead and put this up. See, you get a little windy outside. So, yeah. That is it, y'all. So that's the result of showing you the mats that I installed in the Camry. What I call that right there, the real world test. You get in the car a few times, you know, put a little dirt up in there, whatever, and then see how easy it is to clean or not. So, I mean, I gotta admit, hey, that was pretty easy to clean for those mats. So, yeah, they definitely worth it. So, and hey, I'll keep y'all posted up, you know, pretty much how the mats go, you know, from here on out. But as far as right now, shoot, it was easy to clean. So, hey, I hope this update kind of helps y'all out pretty much. Ooh, wait a minute, let me clean my camera a little bit. There we go, nice and clear. All right, y'all. So, hey, I'm done with it. Everything still look good in the camera. So I kind of hope that helps y'all out on showing y'all how easy it is to clean those mats right there. So, hey, I'll go ahead and continue and drop the link again for those mats. So, like I say, hey, if you want to get your pair, hey, go ahead and get you some, man. Take them from me. They look good in the car. And now that I tried them out cleaning them, hey, they clean easy real good, y'all. So, yeah, I give it a thumbs up. So, now I'm about to vacuum my car out now, so get it straight. Other than that, hey, I'm enjoying myself. So, hey, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hey, appreciate all my supporters out there. Hey, look, Let's get it, y'all. Let's put it in fourth gear. Let's get it. Not first. Let's put it in fourth and go. That's right. So we doing it. And hey, like I said, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day. Of course, give me a little eat on first. And I am through, y'all. So that is it. Camera looking good. Now it's time for the bug to get cleaned up. So hey, I am out of here. And like I said, make sure y'all go check out that link. I'm gonna drop it in the description box. So check it out. Very good match, y'all. Very good. So I am out of here, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Let's get it.